Hi, I'm Jeff Bowler and I'm a Program Manager on the Intune product group, and this session is Intune for Education Overview. Intune for Education is a simpler way to deploy and manage your classroom devices. It's designed for education and supports common school scenarios like one-to-one and shared cart. It also suggests common settings and applications for schools. It's easy to deploy. With a USB key, you can provision student devices easily and quickly. It's simple to enroll. You can bring devices under management by simply entering in your Azure AD account during the out-of-box experience or after that. And once the devices are enrolled, it can be managed over the internet. You can also import your school roster data into Intune by using School Data Sync. Intune for Education is a cloud-based management solution. It's administered through a web-based admin console called Intune for Education, and your Windows 10 school devices are enrolled and managed with Intune over the internet. Intune for Education supports the end-to-end device management lifecycle, from enrollment to provisioning to management and retiring the device. For enrollment, we support bulk enrollment using Setup School PCs or Windows Configuration Designer, and we can also do self-service enrollment, just entering your Azure AD credentials during the out-of-box experience or after. After the device is enrolled, the settings and applications you've assigned to users and devices are provisioned on the device, ready for the students to use. And afterwards, you can manage devices, apps, and settings, report on device and app inventory, and even perform remote tasks such as syncing the device or restarting the device. And when it's time to retire the device, you can remove the school data from the device or perform a factory reset. Now let's do a walkthrough of the Intune for Education portal. Here we are in the Intune for Education portal. You get to the portal by opening up your browser and going to intuneeducation.portal.azure.com. The portal includes a dashboard and also a sidebar menu with menu items. Both can be used to perform common administrative tasks. The dashboard includes 4 tiles. Express configuration, which is a very quick way to manage apps and settings for a group. School Data Sync allows you to import data from your school information system into Intune. The Manage User and Device groups for managing your groups, and the Manage Apps tile for managing your apps. You can get to Express configuration by selecting Express configuration in the sidebar menu or by selecting the tile. Groups is for managing groups, adding groups, and also managing the settings and apps for the groups. Managing apps is for managing the apps, assigning the apps, and adding new apps. Reports is for viewing reports in Intune for Education. And tenant settings is for adding additional settings related to your tenant. You can add additional menu items by selecting all, selecting the item you want to add, clicking on the star, and the item is added. You can also remove items by selecting the star again. And you can move a menu item up and down depending on what your preference is to customize the menu. That's just a very quick review of the Intune for Education portal, which we'll be working in throughout this training. Here's some additional information on Intune for Education. The Intune for Education docs, the Intune blog, the What's New site, which provides information on new features and capabilities that we're releasing each month. User Voice, where you can make feature requests, Intune Forum, where you can ask questions, and Intune Support, where you can find more information about getting support on Intune for Education. This now concludes the session on Intune for Education overview.